It's Christian, and this is my little sister Caitlin. Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi.
She's adorable. Anyways, I see that a lot of people have gone on and liked some of my videos. Thank you very much to whoever you are. If I could get some more subscribers, that would be amazing. She would love to be on YouTube, so her video will be coming soon, and she's going to do her cup song for all of you guys. Are you excited about that? How excited?
100%.
100%. I say that's a good thing. Okay, just comment and like and video ideas and whatever else you might like, and thank you, and I guess that's it. Bye. Say bye.
Doo-doo.